Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Think you all are much better by the grace of Almighty Allah. Light Fair School opens online class for the betterment of students. Today we are with lesson 3B Unit 6 from English past paper. After Eid vacation we are starting our classes again. Think this passage is very much important from this unit for upcoming exams. Let us read the passage first. The Maldives is famous as a tourist destination because of its enjoyable weather, heavenly beaches and lagoons, luxurious holiday resorts, and the peace-loving people. Being an island country, it enjoys a pleasant weather throughout the year. The Maldives has been ranked as the best country brand for beach, rest and relaxation in 2008. In the same year, it was also ranked second as the best country brand for the natural beauty. The Maldives is well known for being the lowest country in the world. Unfortunately, this small country with idyllic natural beauty is under the threat from rising sea levels due to global warming. Most of the country is just 1.5 meters above sea level with a highest point of 2.3 meters. Many predictions have been made with respect to Maldives being swept away by the rising water level in the Indian Ocean. It was even seen during the tsunami of 2004 that many of the island's dry parts were flooded by waters sinking the island. The government of Maldives has begun to purchase land from nearby countries in case of islands go under water. In order to highlight the threats of global warming to its low-lying islands, the government of Maldives held a cabinet meeting underwater in 2009. That was the first ever cabinet meeting in the world that took place underwater. The meeting took place about 5 meters underwater in a blue-green lagoon on a small island. While meeting, the cabinet signed a document calling on the nations to cut their carbon emission. Okay, now let us know some word meaning from this passage. The word heavenly. Please follow the word heavenly, means very pleasing. Luxurious. Luxurious means very comfortable. Then relaxation means rest and enjoyment. Unfortunately means unluckily. Unfortunately means unluckily. Prediction means forecast. Then shrink, to become smaller in size and amount. Purchase means to buy something. Emission means the act of emitting or discharge. Emission means act of emitting or discharge. Okay, we will read the passage carefully, and I will give some homework on this passage, like MCQ question, and fill in the blanks. You will complete this homework and send me duly. Okay. Thank you very much.